Temperature is absolutely crucial. It's great to have knowledge that my chefs are not over reducing the sauce or, undercooking a piece of meat. It's all precise.
The precision of the Miele steam combination oven allows the temperature to be accurately controlled to within 1 degree. Today I'm going to show you how to slow cook an egg at precisely 63 degrees Celsius.
So using Miele appliances at home, for me, ensures consistency, and I know that when I turn it on, it's going to achieve that temperature, and I know that temperature is going to be the same.
I'm going to put that in the steam combination oven, 180 degrees, 100% steam to keep the meat nice and moist.
When you have really beautiful ingredients and you just want to showcase that ingredient, you can steam things and it almost seems to keep the flavour in. For me, it's been the most incredible discovery.
It's about taking this kind of grand idea of real food and executing it with precision, making it luxurious.
It just means that we're going to achieve that every time, and actually we can concentrate on doing what we do best, which is cooking beautiful food.